In this tutorial, I'll show you how to link PayPal to your Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. From your dashboard, open the website that contains your online store. In the website editor, go to Settings, then click Checkout or Payments, depending on your store setup. This is where you can manage the payment methods for your website. If PayPal isn't available yet, make sure your website is on a plan that supports online payments and e-commerce features. Under the available payment options, find PayPal and click Connect. You'll be redirected to the PayPal sign-in page. Log in using your PayPal business account, then review the requested permissions and authorize the connection. After the authorization is complete, you'll be returned to Weebly, where PayPal should now appear as a connected payment method. If you haven't already, add your products by opening the store section and creating or editing your product listings. Save your changes, then publish your website. Finally, test your checkout process by adding a product to the cart and confirming that PayPal appears as a payment option for your customers. That's how to link PayPal to your Weebly website. Thanks for watching.